the iPhone 17 Pro Max is no longer just another yearly refresh. It's shaping up to be one of the most exciting iPhones Apple has ever made. And a lot of that excitement revolves around a major upgrade we've all been waiting for: battery life. According to a fresh leak, Apple is preparing to take things to a whole new level by giving the iPhone 17 Pro Max a massive 5000 mAh battery. That's right, this could be the first iPhone in history to cross that milestone. This information comes from well-known Chinese tipster Instant Digital, who posted the leak on Weibo. The claim is simple but bold: the iPhone 17 Pro Max will feature a battery that finally reaches the 5000 mAh threshold. For context, the current iPhone 16 Pro Max houses a 4676 mAh battery, which already delivers impressive endurance. Apple typically avoids sharing battery size directly, instead focusing on real-world use metrics. Even so, the 16 Pro Max manages up to 33 hours of video playback and 105 hours of audio on a single charge. Now imagine adding nearly 10% more battery capacity on top of that, paired with Apple's unmatched software optimization. The result? The iPhone 17 Pro Max could become the longest-lasting iPhone ever, possibly offering 2 full days of use for the average user. This would be a huge win for power users, travelers, and anyone constantly reaching for a charger before the day ends. But that's not all. Alongside the battery bump, Apple is also expected to revamp its internal cooling system. Current iPhones use graphite-based heat dissipation, but the iPhone 17 Pro Max is rumored to feature a vapor chamber cooling system, a design commonly found in gaming smartphones. This change is said to be necessary to manage the extra heat generated by the new A19 Pro chip, which powers the iPhone 17 Pro models. And speaking of performance, things are looking even more intense. Leaked Geekbench scores show the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max hitting over 4,000 in single-core performance and over 10,000 in multi-core. That's approaching desktop-level territory. The A19 Pro is expected to be built on TSMC's 3rd Gen 3nm process and paired with 12 GB of RAM, marking a big jump in both speed and multitasking power. So what do you guys think about the upcoming iPhone 17 Pro series? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below, and as always, I will see you guys in my next video.